Hello, hi, good morning. Welcome back to another chapter of my Messy-Daff-Diary.
Hi, now we will went for trekking in
Pongla Airfall. We're going for trekking, and we're going to chase waterfall basically, and the waterfall name is Pongla Air Waterfalls. I think so. Yeah.
Soft strums of the warm acoustic guitar blend with the gentle sound of the waves crashing against the shore. A serene melody weaves through the breeze, creating a soothing rhythm that mirrors the ocean's edge.
Oh my god. Oh, the guy. My clothes. भाई व्यू देखो आप लोग व्यू देखो इधर we're already on the halfway. We're just stopping here for like some fresh air because थक गए.
Let the music guide you into an untouched paradise where stress dissolves like footprints in sand.
डब्बे फिर चलो let's go. Bisuruha. Hi. Hi. Hi, China. Bonjour. Chalo, let's go. Unfortunately, we went to the wrong direction. I mean, the wrong place, and now we're on the right track. So, chalo, let's go. Chalo, enjoy the trekking with me, and that's my outfit. Chalo, let's go. Unfortunately, we went to the wrong direction. I mean, the wrong place, and now we're on the right track. So, chalo, let's go. Chalo, enjoy the trekking with me, and that's my outfit. La, 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 la. Here we are. That's the signboard. Heels and
Weaves through the breeze, creating a soothing rhythm that mirrors
That's
the
the whole view.
ocean's edge.
it's amazing. And here we are. This is the Pongla Air Falls. Yeah, that's the Pongla Air Falls. And here we are, hills and beyond. Walking on this railroad. It's kind of easy because they keep the signboard everywhere. So yeah. Hi. We're going down. There we have a gorgeous view out there, sexy view. And there you go. वो देखो भाई, चलो let's go. There we have a gorgeous view out there, sexy view. And there you go. वो देखो भाई, चलो let's go. Let's go. Lenny. Gete am signboard. Hatars katata maslam pilai. Bida pishkmat. Chalo. I'll lead the way. Blah. I better get there. Mom. Oh my god, I was about to slip. My eyes. I'm excited. I'm very excited to see the falls because it's so awesome. Oh, here's snap this in. I'm excited. I'm very excited. Being the rare person in your whole family who loves trekking and they won't let you go alone, so they need to follow you all over everywhere because probably my mom won't let me go alone, and I'm not the kind of girl who's gonna stop just by someone is stopping me. So yeah, she needs to go. She needs to go. The stand. Oh. Hatars katata maslam pilai. Bida pishkmat. Chalo. I'll lead the way. Hi. We're on our halfway to the waterfall, and I can hear the sounds of the waterfall. So what we'll do is I'll meet you down there. It's 420 kilometers left. 420 kilometers probably. I'll meet you down there because of the battery of this iPhone sucks, and I'm scared that I won't have any more battery to record anything. So we'll just meet you down there once I reach the waterfall, okay? Till then, tada bye bye. See you once I'm there. And here you go, see the beautiful flowers. Jungle wildflowers. I don't know what is the name of it. Oh, be careful. I'm all red. Hi. We're on our halfway to the waterfall, and I can hear the sounds of the waterfall. So what we'll do is I'll meet you down there. It's 420 kilometers left. 420 kilometers probably. I'll meet you down there because I'm on my halfway, and this is what it looks like from the viewpoint. Okay, a beautiful rushing river. जो भी है बोल सकते हो river. We can probably took a shower out there also. It's pretty clear. The water out here is fucking clear. It's more clearer than your future. Oh my god, Ami! Bye Bessa! Oh wow, there's one hidden waterfall out there. It's crazy. Ami! I wanna go and see that falls. Ow! I'm risking my life. Oh, hi, what देखो. It's fucking gorgeous, like heaven. Like literally heaven. What देखो? A stream water. I wish I could go there, but my mom says no. So chalo, let's go back. Oh, just have a look at it once, okay? Chalo, let's go back. I'll tell them we could go here also. It's a hidden waterfall inside. I'm only
Mia dahil sila kami. Tuan mo pwede. Ito tuan ko. Mia dahil sila. Pwede te. Okay. Kami clear ha.
Fine. It's very clear.
My legs are shaking. Like hell. Diba like you? Oh.
Me and my mom is here, but
The other two, one of my auntie and one of my cousin, they're still behind. They're still left behind. So we're gonna wait for them. I mean, a wooden bridge, they made it by hand. Handmade bridge. I mean, that's the waterfall. We're not far enough. Can you hear me? That's the waterfall. We're not far enough. I think there's something with it. Follow. Oh, we're almost there. I'm so excited. We're almost there. We're almost there, and I'm so excited.
up.
Danger. Danger, please. Ayo. Ayo.
The road is Embruhi.
Oh, that's a nice place. Yes.
Bang ano?
Wow, we're sweet.
We'll swim. Being a trekker girl's mom, she needs to learn how to trek. Or else I'll go alone everywhere. Ah!
What tricky road eh? Yes. This is a dangerous place.
Being a northeast girl, this is a very easy for me, but for you guys, no way. It's very hard. So you could come and join us, but the
Remember that you knew him here this time. We're there. I'm sweating right now.
they're giving life jacket as well. Me,
Wow.
pila ay sa Tereswa.
We can check first now what is there. This is
Ay.
a place. Which I want to go. Woo!
Up.
Danger. Danger place. Ayo. Ayo.
The road is Embruhi.
Oh, that's a nice place. Yes.
Bang ano?
Wow, we're sweet.
We'll swim. Being a trekker,
You are ready.
young
Certificate.
camera jacket है 3D. Yes, yes, you will need.
Đang họ em không biết tiếp cận. Đâu đây cứ gồm để một em cầm hai chết ha. Không kể. Yes, Tina. Oh, fire. Okay. But I'm so hot, so yeah, it's okay. The weather is cold, but I'm hot, so it's fine. Hello, let's go. This is the whole waterfall, okay? And we are ready to get down to water. Here, hello, let's go up there. Let's go up there to swim, okay? And I'm all wet because I play with the water. Hello. That's the waterfall. Here am I. And here you go. You can change. Sorry. My mom is still changing song. That's the waterfall. Here am I. And here you go. You can change. Sorry. Go. Chalo, let's go. I took off my shirt because I want to swim, basically. So, yeah, chalo. Ow! Tirita! Becha! Tirita! Becha! Tirita! Becha!
Okay.
Dengan umnas kuat ah.
Wait. One more time.
Katerina.
See you on there.
हमरा से चल नहीं कोई कोई भी दो दो ले Ly. So, आगे पीछे
The gentle sound of the
Three.
waves crashing against the shore. Serene melody weaves through the breeze.
Ilapag yung yang you rap hingga tepi impa. Kau kadang ai piam zwing renga daga niga zoom dan. Kau kadang ai piam zwing renga daga niga zoom dan. Kau kadang ini dari wadi sing tenanduk nadan omo. Oh. Ham zoom renga pi.
touch paradise.
Baik tak semua tu tiara.
Flows like
Let's start. 1, 2, 3 dah.
sand.
Baik tak semua tu tiara. Let's start. 1, 2, 3 dah. That's it there. Le. Woo. Chalo. I finished the swim. Gani denega. Hi, hello. We're done. Now we're going back home, and it's very hard. Like, it starts foggy.
It says it. We've reached our destination. This is my stuff. Here you go. Bye. Watch go. We've reached. That's the way. We still need flowers. Dekho, flowers, flowers, flowers. Cute, right? मैंने चोरी किया. I steal it. I thief it. I pluck it from the jungle. और मैंने चोरी किया flower. देखो. Cute. अब weather देखो अब. Weather देखो behind. Ow. Sorry, I'm sorry. I have a lot of stuff. What's that? See, it's very cute, and we're almost there. See, it's very cloudy. It's very, 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 very cloudy here. Like you can't see anything. It's just like the same thing as last time we went to this what is that, light loom. It is all cloudy and foggy. See, purple. I got 1 second. Flowers देखो, cute है ना? See, it smells just like a lotus. No, water. No, not a water lily. Something, a beautiful flower, a white one. It's yeah.
Hey, kan
Cutie.
Ini chicken.
Momos.
Chicken.
Spear chicken.
Yang. Shoo. That's my noodles. La 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 la. Dia. Come here.
Yeah, huh? Hot lên mình nha. Chalo. La. Sang đôi cái bịch bi. Oh my god. The best. Chalo, let's go. Payment delay. Bye bye. Amazing view.
भाई देखो pink. Pink. भाई sunset देखो sunset. We stop at this restaurant to eat something. I mean to eat food probably. And I got the beautiful sunset out there. That's it for the day. This is Zaf signing off from her video diary. Till then, tada bye bye. See you on my next video diary. And do remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe kar dena. And video end tak dekhne ke liye. Thank you so much. Love you guys and keep on supporting. Thank you for your love and support. And we'll see you on my next video diary. Till then, just stay tuned until I upload my next video. Bye bye. Love you. I hope so you're enjoying your life.